Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to change the candle's color in cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader. And as you can see here, we have the green color for the bull candles and we have the red color for the bearish candles. Okay. Now to change it, all you have to do is right click on your chart, then go to color options. Now you have to change the bull outline, bear outline, bull fill, and bear fill. Okay, so let's start with this one, bull outline. So I will choose, for example, yellow, this one, for example, and I will go also to the bull fill, and I will choose also yellow. Okay, as you can see here, now the bullish candles change it to yellow. Now let's change the bearish candles. The same thing, bear outline, I will change it, for example, to this color or this color, white. Okay, let's go again to bear fill, and I will choose also white. And as you can see, the candlestick's colors has been changed. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.